Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone. Welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. So happy to see you here. Today, we're taking you somewhere fun, a cafe.
Yes, we're going to pretend we're going to a coffee shop together, just like friends. And while we chat, we'll learn lots of useful English.
Exactly. You'll hear real conversations, easy phrases, and everyday words, things you can use right away.
So grab your favorite drink and let's go to the cafe.
Hey, Emma, do you want to grab a coffee with me?
Sure, I know a nice cafe near the park. They have the best cappuccinos and blueberry muffins.
Yum! I love muffins. Do they have tea too? I'm trying to drink less coffee.
Of course, they have green tea, black tea, even chamomile.
Sounds perfect. Let's go.
Ooh, it smells amazing in here. I love the smell of fresh coffee.
Me too. Let's find a table first. How about this one by the window?
Great! I like sitting by the window. It's cozy. Here's the menu.
Thanks. What are you getting?
I think I'll get a cappuccino and a croissant. What about you?
I'd like a cup of black tea, please, and maybe a chocolate muffin.
Good choice. Are we ordering at the counter or are they coming to take our order?
Looks like we order at the counter. Let's go.
Okay, we've got our drinks and snacks. Cheers!
Cheers. So, what do you like most about coming to cafes?
I love the quiet background music, the smell of coffee, and just watching people pass by. It's peaceful.
I like that too. And it's a good place to read or even study English.
Totally. You can bring a book, a notebook, or just listen to people speak.
And menus are great for learning food and drink vocabulary.
For example, today we saw words like cappuccino, croissant, muffin, black tea, and of course, espresso.
Now I want an espresso too.
Let's imagine a little conversation you might have with a friend at a cafe.
Okay, let's do a role play.
All right, you start.
So, Emma, what did you do this weekend?
I went to the beach. It was sunny and relaxing. I even read a book at a cafe there.
That sounds perfect. What did you order?
Just a latte and a slice of cake. What about you?
I met a cousin at a small cafe near my house. I had a sandwich and lemonade.
See, so many things to talk about and lots of new vocabulary.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Can you try to make a short cafe conversation? Try using phrases like, I'd like, for here or to go. That's all, thank you. What did you order?
And write your answers in the comments or say them out loud. It really helps.
You can even practice at home. Pretend your kitchen is a cafe.
Exactly. And here's a fun fact. Latte means milk in Italian. So if you say latte in Italy, you might just get milk.
Good to know. Always say cafe latte.
So today we learned how to order at a cafe, use polite phrases, describe your drink or food, chat with a friend.
All in simple English. And now you can feel more confident next time you visit a cafe.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, subscribe, subscribe and share it with a friend.
And leave us a comment. What's your favorite thing to order at a cafe?
Thanks for joining us, friends. Until next time.
Bye.